Hello friends, a quick video on the electrical panel as it relates to air conditioning equipment. So we're going to look first up here at the top right, and we see there's two breakers labeled AC. These are for the condenser units outside. So it's 120 volt legs each, and they are connected here, so it's a total of 240. And we see on this one, it's labeled 20. This one is 40. And the reason for that is this one is for the downstairs unit, which is a 5-ton. This one is upstairs, which is a 3-ton. So it's smaller and the amperage is less. So these could trip if you have, say, a bad capacitor, if you have shorted compressor, hopefully not, that's a major issue. Or if you have, say, a motor, fan motor that is faulty or has failed. So if it's tripped, you'll likely find it here in the middle, and you want to turn it all the way off and then back on. And again, if it continues to trip, you have a more serious issue there. They typically don't trip on their own. If we look down here, this is these are labeled for the furnace, and that's a bit deceiving because these are actually wired to the control board. So you likely, if you're in Texas, it could be in your attic, it could be in a closet, but you likely have a switch there as well. And this one is, again, for my downstairs. This one is upstairs, and two separate circuits. And you would have, in this case, two separate switches. So these power the transformer. So if this is tripped, you may not have power to your thermostat. It would also affect you both in the winter and the summer. So this could affect as well. Even though it's labeled furnace, it would affect your air conditioning as well in the summer if this were tripped. And so some causes of this one being tripped could be in the winter, your blower motor upstairs. If it's a PCS motor, a PSC motor, which is permanent split capacitor, it could be a capacitor. It could be the motor itself. You could have a wiring issue on your low voltage as well. And it could be a transformer also. So those are a few things to look at. Again, if it's here in the middle, you want to turn it all the way off and then back on. And if it continues to trip, you'll want to look at some of those causes I mentioned earlier around the capacitor, the motor, or the thermostat, and some shorts. Okay, hope this helps. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And if you would, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.